Hello my friends, let's proceed and do the tests on this battery. This is now a follow up on yesterday's video where I show you how fast it come down in power. So let's take the battery out and test what is the volts at this point. It is fully charged again. So let's get it out here. Okay, I'm going to plug it out so that we can test it alone. Okay, here's the battery. So it's a 12 volt. So let's put the meter on and see what we got now. Okay guys, I've got it on the 10 scale on DC, and I've got 6 volts, and this is bad. So what I'm going to do now, I haven't got a battery load tester, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it into the light and then put the meter on as well, and then I will bring you back in 5-minute intervals and we see how the volts drop on all the LEDs. But this indicates already this battery is bad, and it charged the whole night since yesterday afternoon. Okay, so let me get us ready here. Okay guys, I've got us connected up, and I will make a mark there for the start. And so let's put on the light on full blast. Okay, all the LEDs is on, and there you can see the needle. So I will bring you back every 5 minutes with a shot, and let us see how quick it discharges. Okay guys, it's not 5 minutes yet. I just want to make a correction. The battery is a 6 volt. It's not 12. So it showed it was fully charged. But let's give it a time to burn and see how it held on. Okay guys, I made the 10-minute intervals. It's set on 5.6 volts. I write everything down for us. And I found the box. It say up to 60 hours of light. I guess that is when you use only the middle string of LEDs, but nevertheless 60 hours is very long with a single charge. So let's go for the next 10 minutes. Okay guys, we are now on the 20-minute time, and we sit on 5 volts. Okay guys, we are now on the 30-minute mark, and we sit actually on basically 5 volt exactly. I think the previous one was a hair higher. So the previous reading I will make 5.1, 5.2, but now after 30 minutes it's exactly 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's now the 40-minute mark, and it held on to 5 volts, which seems to be a good one. So let's see what it do with the next 10 minutes. Okay guys, surprisingly on 50 minutes it still hang on 5 volt. So let's give it the last one to 60 minutes, and it seems if it will drop. That's my thought at this point. It will drop fairly quick from 6 volt to 5 volt, and then it hang on there for a while. Because the box, I have the box here, it says 60 hours, up to 60 hours, and I guess that is with one line of LEDs, and it got 3. So if you divide it by 3, it means at least it was burn 20 hours on full volume. So, and it depends on what does make light for 60 hours mean. In my books, it must shine bright, but obviously it cannot be. So maybe after 20 hours you can still see where you walk in the night, something like that. But at this point it seems the battery is okay. So let's give it time for the next 10 minutes and then check it again. Okay guys, it's now exactly 1 hour, and to be honest, if I look at the needle, it might be a hair off of 5 volt, I would say 5 point or 4.99 volt something. If I look right, it's just off center. So I'm going to make a pit stop quickly and give it another 10 minutes, and then we will conclude. Okay guys, it's now 1 hour and 10 minutes and it still sit on 4.99 volt more or less. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn you, and let's remove the crocodile clips from the battery. Okay, so the meter is off and disconnected. Let's take it out of the way, and now let's look at the light at this point. I think I was too critical yesterday with my test over 27 minutes. So let me just connect it again. Sorry guys. Okay, after an hour, this is, let me just make it a little bit smaller again. This is the camera will not give justice to the picture, but it still make good light. I think I was critical. If I look at the numbers, it dropped fairly quick from 6 to 5 volt, and then it hang on there. So let me show you the box, and then we make a sum, and I'll show you the numbers. Okay guys, there's the numbers. Start at 6 volt, 10 minutes 5.6 volt, 20 minutes 5.2 volt, 30 minutes 5 volt, 40 minutes 5 volt, 50 minutes 5 volt, 60 minutes 4.99 volt, and 1 hour and 10 seconds actually. 1 hour and 10 minutes, sorry. It's 4.99 volt. And here is the box, which indicate it will last up to 60 hours of light on a single charge. And what I reckon, what they mean is this is the light, and you've got 3 rows. So if you put it on the single one. It might burn 60 hours and it will be very dim, and this is the full one, and this is how it burns now after an hour. And I need, our load shedding is 2 hours, so I need it only burn for 2 hours to provide light. So I think I was too critical yesterday. After 27 minutes, there it is off. So my conclusion is the battery is not too bad. I think it's actually the way it works. And I put it back already again. So I don't think there's any problem. And what I also don't mention when I do a review on it, it got a USB charger to charge your phone, and here you can put a 9-volt solar panel in for charging from that side as well. Otherwise it charges through the cable when the power is on, and when it go off it switch on again automatically. Okay my friends, thank you for watching. I think the light is okay, and see you on the next project. Bye bye.